What's going on, everybody? It's Orwin, Sportback Everything, back with another video. And today, we're gonna do a helmet cleaning. And we're gonna do this the safest way possible because we don't want to damage our helmet. Now, this is my fiance's helmet, and as you can see on her cheek pads, she wears makeup. So some of her makeup has gotten onto the cheek pads, and we definitely want to see if we can get that out. And also I have a tinted shield for her, and we're gonna add a chin curtain for her to get her going, because she says she wants to look cool in the streets. Alright, so the products I'll be using, I have Motorex Helmet Care Active Foam. I think this stuff is great because, for one, I like the smell. The smell is great. The foaming action that it does when it gets on the pads, it really breaks down the surface. It's the surface dirt that's on the pad. I think it does a good job at that. And you'll see how that looks. This blank bottle here is all this is alcohol, dish detergent, and water. We're going to use this to get the bugs. Alcohol is a good solvent, and it's going to break down the bugs. She doesn't have much. She just has some on the top there. And alcohol does a great job at getting bug guts off your helmet. So a couple things. What I'm not going to do, I'm not going to take my cheek pads and put them in the washing machine. These pads are foam, and you put them in the washing machine, they can definitely get deformed, damaged, won't look so good. I'm not going to use fabric softener. This is moisture wicking fabric. Fabric softener has a waxy when you use fabric softener, and it'll take away that wicking capability. We don't want that. We want it to be able to wick so it doesn't stay wet. Another thing I'm not going to do, I'm not going to fully submerge the cheek pads. Full submersion could also deform the pads. We want to keep their plushness. I mean, you don't have to be too delicate, but we're just going to do apply the foam, and we're going to use microfibers to dry and scrub. So without further ado, let's get into it. We're going to go in and remove our cheek pads here. Get a closer look at that. Really dirty. We'll get a before and after. There's another one. Okay, and we're also going to clean these as well. We'll get to that soon. And we're going to lay the foam down. It's almost like washing my bike. Oh yeah, see that foam? Get that side. Let it break down the dirt or the makeup. I think this also sanitizes as well. We're gonna go ahead and start scrubbing away. Alrighty, I see a big difference. Oh, this smells great. I'm not sponsored by this product, by the way. I got a long way to go for that. See if we can get a difference here. Here's this pad. Here's what it used to look like. Still see the brown. It took the makeup right off. I don't think submerging is necessary, guys. try and stay in the direction of the fibers so we don't cause any fraying. Now we definitely gonna get this forehead right here that she got going. So we're gonna definitely get that part. And we'll go on the side of the head here, on the top of the head, and on this side here. There you go. And the back. Let that penetrate. We'll go ahead and go in. Let's stay with the fibers. Oh, we gotta get these parts here too. So here we go, we're gonna lay it out like that. Let that seep in. Spray my little special solution. Nice and sudsy. On that side. Looks good there. The front. Let's see what we can get in a swipe. Just go ahead and swipe. Could have left it longer. Oh yeah. Q-tip, nice and moist. Get a little dirt off of there. We're gonna remove her shield. That's a good thing I like about SJC. The IS Max just pops right out. This is from my old helmet. Should fit her as well. Should fit hers okay. We got a blue tint. Oh yeah, it's gonna be great. A little scratch, but I think she'll like it. While that shield is out, we're gonna put our pads back in. And we're going to apply a chin curtain for her. This snaps in. Oh, this needs cleaning. Let's go ahead and get this. gonna snap this in here. Boom. She's got herself a good helmet going in here. All right. And then we're just gonna pop on the shield. All right, we got our pin lock. And what this pin lock does is it keeps your shield from, keeps the shield from fogging up. All right, gonna pop it on. All right, guys, that about wraps up this video. If you like motorcycle content, go ahead and subscribe. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a like. This is Orwin, Sport Bike Everything. Till next time, peace.